I was literally seconds away from buying SerpSling AI, credit card ready. Cursor on the button, but something didn't feel right. So instead of buying blindly, I decided to test it properly. And what happened next, I didn't expect. Let me be honest with you, if you're watching this, you're probably looking for a way to make money online, curious about AI tools, maybe tired of trying things that don't work, because I've been there. Buying tools, getting excited, and then realizing it doesn't actually do what I expected. Now, when I first saw SerpSling AI, it looked perfect. AI doing SEO work, agency model, potential automation, it felt like this might be the one. And that's exactly what makes it dangerous. Because tools like this don't just sell features, they sell hope. And hope can make you ignore red flags. So what is SerpSling AI really? At its core, it's an AI-powered SEO tool designed to simplify ranking content. You get keyword selection, content generation, workflow automation. Sounds powerful, but let's go deeper. Step 1. Dashboard clean interface. Beginner friendly. Nothing overwhelming. Step 2. Keyword engine. This is where everything starts. And this is where most people fail. Because if your keyword is wrong, nothing else matters. Step 3. Content creation. AI generates articles fast. But here's the truth. Speed does not equal quality. You still need edit, structure, fixes, human touch. Let me ask you, would you publish AI content without editing it? That's where most people go wrong. This is the main selling point. Let AI handle everything, but here's reality. Automation without strategy equals wasted effort. Now let me show you exactly what I did. Day 1. Picked keyword generated content, set everything up honestly. I was impressed. Day 2. I reviewed content again, and started noticing issues. Generic phrasing, weak SEO structure, so I manually improved it. Day 3. This is where things got interesting. I started seeing early signals, not crazy results, but movement. Remember when I said something unexpected happened? Here it is. The tool was better when I stopped relying on it fully. That's when I realized, this is not a shortcut tool. It's a support tool. So, final results. No instant ranking, some progress, requires consistency. What I genuinely liked. Easy to use, saves time, good starting point, scalable idea, agency model. What I didn't like, not beginner proof, needs effort, not plug and play, quick reality check. If this was fully automated, everyone would be rich. Affordable compared to agencies. But still an investment. Only worth it if you use it. You can learn SEO, manually use multiple tools, or use something like this. Trade-off equals convenience versus control. Beginners willing to learn, affiliate marketers, hustlers, people looking for shortcuts, lazy users, push-button income seekers. So here's my honest answer. Would I buy SerpSling AI? Yes, but only if I understand its limitations. Because this tool won't change your life, but how you use it might. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. Go through it yourself before making a decision, and only buy if it makes sense for you. If you want, I can show you how to actually rank content step by step. Comment, rank.